You don't need to bathe or soak yourself in designer perfume to smell good. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're stopping by for the first time, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please tap the subscribe button down below to get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And don't forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. In today's video, we'll be talking about hygiene tips that will make you smell good and the simple shower hacks that will change the way you wash your body. So if you're interested in smelling good all day, you should just keep on watching, because I'll be showing you guys some tips and tricks on how to smell like a snack. So before we jump into those hygiene tips to smell good, I would love you to understand the fact that smelling good could mean different things to different people. So for some people, it could be them having that enticing perfume fragrance whenever they step into a room, whereas for some others, it could mean them not having body odor, like no offensive smell. So whatever your definition of smelling good means, I'll be showing you guys some hygiene tips and products that will have you smelling good 24/7. So let's jump right into it. So the first hygiene tip or product that you will need to smell good is your soap or body wash. There is always something about that subtle mild fragrance that comes from a soap or body wash. So if you really want to smell good all day, you need to take your bath with a nice scented soap or body wash, because these soaps or body wash tend to offer their fragrances to your skin. It tends to give your body their base fragrance. More like you need to reach out for scented soaps or body wash and add to your skincare routine. For me, I love to use this Dove Nourishing Secrets body wash. So this is it right here. Like, I basically love the soap. It makes you smell nice. Like, this Dove body wash is very much affordable and it has a really nice fragrance, and the smell tends to linger after shower. This body wash is a really nice one. Like, it makes you smell nice. It's an affordable body wash that you can use if you really want to smell nice. It goes at a price of 2,416 naira. But if you cannot access this Dove body wash, you can basically opt in for the Dove Beauty Cream Bar Soap. Like this particular one and this one, they are the two that I've actually used, and both of them smells nice. Like, it will leave that nice fragrance after shower. So if you really want to smell good, you need to shower at least once a day. But if you're a lady, I would advise you have your bath like 2 times a day. That should be in the morning and at night, because if you don't know, having a good shower tends to influence the way you smell. So make sure you lather and wash your whole body, especially those areas that tends to sweat the most, just like your armpits, your butt, and the rest. So the second hygiene tip that you will need to smell good is using a scented body lotion or oil. Like, moisturizing your skin with a scented body lotion or oil will have you smelling good throughout the day. All you need to do is to apply your scented body lotion or oil immediately you step out from the shower. Like, use your towel to pat off excess water on your body and then apply your scented body lotion or oil. You are going to love the way you smell. For me, I love to use the Dove Indulging Ritual Body Lotion. Like, the fragrance is super amazing and it tends to linger for some time. Like, I really love this particular Dove Nourishing Secrets Indulging Ritual Body Lotion. It has a really nice fragrance. The days I want to really smell like a snack, I love to use the Revlon Realistic Natural Honey Natural Radiant Fairness Body Lotion. This is another body lotion that I get a whole lot of compliments from. Even without using my body perfume, this body lotion have made people tell me that I smell like a baby. Like, it smells so nice. These two body lotions are my go-to when I really want to smell like a snack. If you want your scented lotion to not just smell only nice but to last throughout the day. You should just go in with a body oil after using your body lotion. Like, it tends to seal in the whole moisture and fragrance into your skin, and nothing beats having a good body oil that equally smell nice. And that is why I love this bio oil. Like, it has a really nice mild fragrance that I love. It allows the fragrance of your body lotion to seep through equally. So yeah, that is why I love this bio oil. If you cannot access this bio oil, you can simply reach out for the Johnson gel oil or the Johnson baby oil. Like, those two oils, they are very nice and they smell really good. So the third hygiene tip that will make you smell good is deodorant. Using a deodorant after shower is one simple shower hack that will make you smell good throughout the day. Just like I said in my previous video on how to get rid of dark underarms, I love using natural deodorants just like the Arms and Hammer Essentials and the Dove deodorant that contains vitamin B3. Both of them are really nice. So if you're anything like me, like the skin under your arm is very sensitive to the point that whenever you use others deodorants or roll-on, they tend to irritate the skin under your arm. Or if you cannot afford to get the Arms and Hammer and Dove deodorants that I've mentioned, you can basically opt in for anti-perspirant sprays. Like, I love this particular Right Guard anti-perspirant spray. Like, this particular anti-perspirant have been a game changer for me when it comes to smelling nice. All you have to do is to spray. It leaves your underarms smelling nice throughout the day. So another simple, inexpensive hack that you can try out if you cannot afford to get any of these deodorants or antiperspirants is using your tag-free powder. For me, I love to use this Enchant powder, the Charming one. Although it's not a tag-free powder, I enjoy using this particular powder on days I don't really want to stress myself with body sprays and the rest. All I do is to apply this powder to any area my skin tends to rub against each other, like under my armpits, in between my legs, under my breast. Like, those are the places I tend to apply my powder, and it has been working for me. So whenever I apply it, my body tends to smell good even without me using a body perfume. So one thing I basically noticed about using this particular Enchant powder is the fact that it helps to control sweat under your armpits, keep those places dry and smelling fresh throughout the day. Like, I basically love this powder, and I get a whole lot of compliments from this. People asking me, what did you spray? Like, this is it. Like, this is it. It's a really nice hack to try if you want to smell good. So the fourth hygiene tip you want to note if you really want to smell good throughout the day is using perfume. This particular step could be optional, but is equally a game changer. Like, it can take your fragrance from 0 to 100 real quick. Applying a perfume will level up your smell and make you glow up real fast. So all you have to do is to apply them at the right places to make them last very long. Your perfume doesn't need to be expensive in order to smell nice. So you can basically reach out for the ones within your budget. Like, these days, most perfumes comes in various sizes. They have the ones that come in a roll-on. They have the oil perfumes in different sizes and fragrances. So you can basically reach out for any of them and smell nice. On days I'm on a budget, I basically reach out for those tiny perfumes that comes with a pouch. Like, I'll put them on the screen because I'm out of it at the moment. They are oil perfumes and they come in a tiny bottle, and they are retailed at the price of 1,000 naira each. But if you're getting it in a pouch like this, the pouch contains 12 bottles and they're of different fragrances, oil perfumes, and they last very well. So you can basically reach out for this, or you can reach out for this fantasy perfume. It comes in different fragrances and it tends to last long. Another perfume I also love to use that is also affordable is the Baccarat Rouge 540. Like, this is another fragrance that I love to use. Like, if you want to smell like bag of money, you can basically opt in for this fragrance. It's a unisex fragrance, so you can basically opt in for this particular perfume. It retails at the price of 2,500 or more for the 25 ml bottle, so you can basically get this and smell like a bag of money. Like, it will have you smelling good throughout the day. Like, this is a nice way for you to smell good. The fifth hygiene tip to follow if you want to smell good is hair care. You can't obviously lather your whole body with perfumes and yet your hair stinks. Like that is not the aim right here. Our main aim is to smell good. So if you want to smell good, you want to keep your hair clean. Wash your hair with a good shampoo and condition your hair at least every 3 days. Wash your scalp thoroughly. Not when someone comes to hug you, they will be perceiving a nice smell, yet there is an offensive smell coming with it. You don't want that, okay? So you need to keep your hair clean. So the number 6 hygiene tip you need to follow in order to smell good is oral hygiene. I can't overemphasize oral hygiene. You can't be forming fresh girl, fresh boy, yet whenever you open your mouth, like, people want to jump into a bush. Like, your mouth is oozing of bad smell. You need to brush your teeth twice daily, at least once a day. What you basically need is your toothbrush, your toothpaste. I love to use this Listerine daily mouthwash. Like, it's a very nice mouthwash and it helps to kill germs. So if you're battling with mouth odor, you can basically get this, or you can get a regular toothpaste. I love the Oral-B toothpaste with the mint fragrance. Like, using this or the toothpaste, just use it to brush your teeth in the morning and at night. It will only take 2 minutes of your time. Like, there is no excuse for mouth odor. So the last or final hygiene tip for you to smell good is washing your clothes. You need to do your laundry every week. You need to wash those clothes and your beddings every week if you want to maintain a proper hygiene and smell good throughout the day. One secret I'll be sharing with you guys when it comes to washing your wares is using a nice smelling detergent or soap to wash your clothes. If you cannot get a nice detergent or soap, is to use this Mox oil perfume. Like, I used to have it, but I'm out of it at the moment, so I will see if I can see a picture of it and put it on the screen for you guys. When you add a drop or 2 of it in your washing water, even without using a perfume on it, it will leave your clothes smelling nice, especially when your clothes dries out. Like, your clothes will be smelling nice. So all the tips that I've mentioned will basically have you smelling good throughout the day. I hope those simple hacks helps. Like, you need to try them out. These are helpful tips and simple hacks that will basically change the way you smell. So I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.